Hey David, how's it going? This is Nelson. What I'm doing here is showing you this feature of this new template I got for websites. This could be featured for your ARM Global Services. All we have to do is go ahead and replace it with your information. But let me go ahead and guide you through the template itself. As you can see to the left hand side here is where we go ahead and replace it with your logo. We replace the shine with your logo. We go ahead and feature this information. Instead of having this right here, we'll go ahead and put, say we speak 20 different languages. Replace that with that information. On the left hand side you have your Twitter updates, so anything, if you have a Twitter account or Facebook account, we go ahead and put a widget here where you can feature any updates and specials or any information you have as far as people following you on Twitter and Facebook. They could go ahead and read on the left hand side. Also, another widget is your testimonial widget. So if you got customers that are writing testimonials to you, we could go ahead and input them here on the left hand side so people could read. You also have your newsletter, so if customers want to go ahead and subscribe to any newsletters, any new specials, keep updated updates on what you have, we could go ahead and input them here. Your categories are featured here also, just in case you have a blog. We can go ahead and have the categories linked here to the bottom. And your social networks, and if you have Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, or anything that you have, we could go ahead and link those links to this part of the section on the bottom footer. And you have your contact information as far as the company information and where they could contact you at, emails or phone numbers and everything. One cool feature about this template is the image sliders. It has over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different image sliding effects that you could go ahead and feature. So for instance, this image slider features these images, but we could replace them with your limos, your yachts, your party buses, any specials that you have, your armed services images. And then right here it says welcome. Basically this is information about your company. We could go ahead and feature all the information here. A little image here about your armed service. And then for instance, this part of the section of the website, we could go ahead and feature your armed services, your transportation, any additional services. We could go ahead and link it here with that information, and we will replace these links to one that will basically categorize what you're putting. You have your about us section. This about us section is basically about your company and all your services links. You could we could go ahead and link all this information with new features. So like say about us, if you click on about us, it's basically going to say anything and everything about your company, what you guys do, how you guys handle all the missions, how everything goes, and how everything gets categorized. Your team, basically we could put your team as far as your staff, if you want to put them, get them featured, your limo drivers or anybody. There's a link for your services. The link for your services is the third link. It's basically will show anything about armed services. We'll go ahead and put armed services and what you guys are featuring and what you guys do as far as military personnel, martial arts experience, anything that features that service. Transportation, what's featuring in that service. We have armed services, and then we could link another one for additional services. And also you have your, this is works, but this basically what it is like it could get categorized as your fleet, all your cars. There's different ways of categorizing each additional car and each additional car that you have. This is one sample, but we could go ahead and change it to different ways of seeing the portfolio. This is, say, portfolio V1 will be this one. And we have portfolio V2, which is a slide down. Little different features. See, you'll see the limo, and then you'll see the feature of it. Limo feature. Next one is slide down to the right. I guess this one will basically, when you click on the image, it'll slide to the right. And then you have your peak. Same thing, little peak, but it's different effects. And then we have the regular portfolio V4. I like these. It's a little bit nice. So you'll see the fleet. Say this is a Lamborghini. It'll show Lamborghini, and then when they click on that Lamborghini, you'll be able to show the customer that Lamborghini itself. Range Rover, They'll click it and they'll be able to see the image itself in large. You have a blog section. The blog section is really important just in case you want to go ahead and blog about what you guys do as far as events, shows, and anything that you guys have featured on for clients and stuff. So if you could write about it, and then we could go ahead and link the image to that information. So say you guys do the Dove Show, here's the information, I want to read more about it, and you'll just have to get somebody to write the information about the Dove Show, and people are able to comment and write stuff about it. And you have more features, more links that we could go ahead and link to. You have your testimonials. Customers leave you testimonials. We could have his own page for testimonials. If you have anything as far as contacts, people when they want to contact you, we'll have the link into the contact list, your map as Google, and your information. This is the first template I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'll send you a video to the next link. Okay, David.